Okay, let's have more example. So, let's solve for slope of 4 and negative 2 and 0 and positive 3. So first, let's have to identify what will be your x sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 1, or x sub 2. So x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, and y sub 2. So this is our x sub 1, 4, y sub 1 is negative 2, x sub 2 is 0, and y sub 2 is 3. So we'll graph that one later. So let's first use this formula. So m is equals to y sub 2, which is 3, minus, minus here, minus y sub 1, which is negative 2, over x sub 2, which is 0, minus 4. So again, KCC tayo. Keep, change, change. So we will have positive 3. Your negative becomes, your subtraction becomes addition, and your negative becomes positive over 0 minus 4. So let's add. This is 5. And 0 minus 4 is negative 4. So we'll graph. Let's see if we have the same direction as your graph, as your slope from the solution and the rise and run slope from the graph. So let's plot. First we have positive 4 and negative 2 nandito. Then the second one will be 0 and 3, 0, 3 nandito. That is your 0 and 3. Let's put a line there. So, rise is positive. So, ibig sabihin, aakyat ka from this point. Kasi, kung dito ka mag-start, bababa ka, tama? So, dito tayo mag-start sa baba para paakyat. So, dapat daw 5, mag-end tayo dito. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, tama. Then your run is negative. So, negative is to the left. So, from this point, going to the left tayo, dapat, we'll end up here from having a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, we have the same counting as the graph and from the solution itself. Next, let's try the second formula. Mauna naman si y sub 1 bago si y sub 2. So, x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So, x sub 1 is 4, y sub 1 is negative 2, x sub 2 is 0, and y sub 2 is 3. So, m is equals to y sub 1, which is negative 2, minus y sub 2, which is minus 3, over 4 minus 0. So, we have like sign, so we will add 5 and copy their sign, which is negative. 4 minus 0, that is positive 4. So, earlier we have negative 5 and positive 5 over negative 4. Ngayon, ang naging negative naman is yung nasa taas. So, let's graph this one again. So, yan ang point nyo. Okay. So, since negative ang inyong rise, so, ibig sabihin, galing ka sa taas, pababa. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tama? Then your run. Positive, so to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we end up here. We started from here with a slope of -4, -5, and +4.